Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jerry. So, I got a GoPro 5 Black Edition. So, let's take a look at it. GoPro Black. And if you turn it around, you can see that it has a screen, so I can see what I'm recording. So, that's pretty good. And I took it out of the box already, because I didn't know what were in there. But this is the charging cable to charge the battery, and this one was over here like this, and then this one was in here like that, and I was having hard time taking it out, so I had to watch a video on how to do it. And what I did to take it out was I lifted this little plastic thing up and squeezed this two little things, and then it came out, and it says right there GoPro. It's a pain in the butt, I even check out the manual and everything. The manual's over there. I left it on my desk, but it says right here like a warranty. You break it, we will replace it. Some stickers. Here's a little battery. You can buy extra ones if you want. And this one is like for a helmet. You see that curve right there, and this is for flat surface. You peel off the sticker, then you stick it in there, then you mount this one in there, and here's a screw, and then you just put it in there like this, so pretty simple, self-explanatory. Sometimes, like people like me, we had to go on YouTube and figure things out. Since I have never bought a GoPro before, I had to go on YouTube and watch a few videos. But I'm very excited that I'm gonna be filming with this GoPro. And let's see, give me a second here. It says that's a high definition, 1080 pixels, and you can go 33 feet. So it's water protected, I guess this is voice command, and it's a touch screen. So it's pretty good. You can take photos too, and it's 10 megapixels. And I'm very excited to have this little new toy. And also I went to Amazon and bought a bunch of accessories, like for the head, for the chest, that I can mount all this stuff, even for the car. And it only costs like 23 bucks, so it's very cheap. The accessories are good. I tried to get one in Walmart just for the like the head, and it costs like 20 bucks. So in Amazon I got all those accessories for, like I said, real cheap. And I recommend you to go into Amazon and get it from there, and not in Walmart or other places, because they will rip you off. No wonder why Amazon is taking over, They got good deals. But anyways, guys, this is Jerry. So in the future, I'm going to be recording with my GoPro and also with my camera. But, when I go scrapping, I'm going to need my two hands, and it's just going to be a better view. And when I go places with my family too, I would like to use this little guy. For the battery, I don't know how long it lasts, so I had to get information on that. I think it's 2 hours. I'm not too sure, but I need to buy more batteries for sure. Okay, guys, this is Jerry. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will talk to you later.